Imagine making $20,000 every single month from anywhere in the world just using your laptop or phone. Sounds impossible? Well, in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step strategy to make it happen in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll reveal a secret bonus method that can boost your earnings even faster. Choose a high-income online business. Not all online businesses are created equal. If you want to hit $20,000 per month, you need to choose a business model with high earning potential. Here are the best ones in 2025. 1. Selling digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates. Profit margins. 90% plus you create it once and sell it forever. 2. Drop shipping or print on demand, POD. No inventory, no upfront costs. Automated income with the right marketing. 3. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn commissions. Passive income if done right. 4. YouTube automation. Make faceless videos and get paid by YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Pick one of these and go all in. Build your system. Once you pick your business model, you need a system that works on autopilot. Here's how to set it up. Create a website or landing page. Use platforms like System.io, WordPress, or ClickFunnels drive traffic. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, SEO, or paid ads. Automate with AI. Use ChatGPT for content, Canva for designs, and email marketing tools. With the right setup, money flows into your account even while you sleep. Scale to $20,000 per month. Now let's talk about scaling. Making $1,000 is easy, but how do you multiply that into $20,000? 1. Increase prices. If you're selling a $20 product, you need 1,000 sales. But with a $200 product, you only need 100 sales. 2. Use paid ads. Invest in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok ads to reach more buyers. 3. Build a team. Hire freelancers on Upwork or Fiverr to help with content, ads, and support. The secret? Treat your online business like a real business. Focus on growth and automation. Bonus method, high-ticket sales. If you want to hit $20,000 fast, start selling high-ticket products. These are items priced at $500 to $5,000 like coaching programs, premium courses, or consulting services. With just 4 sales of a $5,000 offer per month, you're already at $20,000. There you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to making $20,000 per month online in 2025. Comment below, which method are you going to try first? Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more money-making strategies. Wealth is not a dream, it's a science, it's a strategy, it's a set of rules. If you follow these rules, wealth will chase you. Listen carefully. These are the 5 golden rules of getting rich. Learn to invest. Shots of famous entrepreneurs and investors. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. Wealthy people make money work for them. Poor people work for money. Invest in knowledge, in business, in assets. Because wealth doesn't come from hard work. It comes from smart decisions. Seen. One person saves money in a piggy bank while another invests in stocks, crypto, or real estate. Stop selling your time. Comparison of an employee and an entrepreneur. One works 9 to 5, the other builds a system. Look at what you are selling. If you are selling your time, you will never be rich. But if you create a system, a business, a process that works without you, wealth will follow. Shots of Amazon, Tesla, or other automated systems generating money. Create value before chasing money. Scenes of great entrepreneurs, Steve Jobs, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk. Don't beg for money, solve problems. Bring new ideas. Create something valuable, and money will come to you. Scene. An entrepreneur works on an idea, executes it, and people love the product. Never give up. Scenes of famous people overcoming failures. Dwayne Johnson, Jack Ma, Steve Harvey. There will be obstacles. People will doubt you. They will try to hold you back, but only those who keep going will win. Failure is temporary. Giving up is permanent. Final scene. A struggling person keeps pushing forward and eventually succeeds. the camera follows him from behind, leading to a moment of triumph. Remember these rules, follow them, and never forget, wealth is not luck. It's knowledge, it's strategy, it's a choice. Let's go start today. So today we've covered the top 5 high-income skills that can make you rich in 2025. Digital marketing, copywriting, web development, video content creation, and investing. These skills will not only help you create wealth, but also provide you with the tools to achieve financial freedom. Mastering these skills takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. If you're ready to get started, don't wait. Take the first step today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more valuable content. Let's hustle together and make 2025 your year of financial success. Hey Hustle Empire Academy fam, if you want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom in 2025, then this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about 5 high-income skills that will not only boost your income, but also set you on a path to financial success. These are the skills you need to master to build a lucrative future for yourself. Let's dive in. In today's world, digital marketing is an essential component of any business. If you want to thrive in the online world, mastering digital marketing is a must. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is crucial for improving the visibility of your content or business in search engines like Google. By optimizing your website and content for SEO, you can rank higher in search results, bringing in more traffic and potential customers. Social media marketing, SMM. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn are essential tools for growing your brand. Learning how to market effectively on these platforms can generate significant revenue. You'll learn how to engage your audience, create targeted ad campaigns, and boost conversions through social media. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most powerful ways to directly reach your audience. With a solid email marketing strategy, you can nurture relationships, keep your audience engaged, and increase sales. How to learn it. To learn digital marketing, there are tons of free resources available. Platforms like Google, HubSpot, and Facebook offer free or affordable courses. You can also find valuable educational content on YouTube. Start by learning the basics and experiment with small projects to gain experience. If you want to increase sales and conversions, learning copywriting is a game changer. Copywriting is the art of writing compelling text to persuade people to take action. Sales copy. Every word and sentence should lead to a clear goal, getting the reader to take action. A well-written sales copy can drive higher sales for products or services. For example, creating compelling ad copy or persuasive landing page text can help boost conversions. Understanding your audience. A great copywriter understands the needs and desires of the audience. The more you know about your customers' pain points, the more effective your writing becomes. It's all about showing them how your product can solve their problem or fulfill their needs. Call to action, CTA. The CTA tells the reader what action to take next. Whether it's buy now or learn more, a strong CTA can make a huge difference in driving sales. How to learn it. To get better at copywriting, start by reading books like The Copywriter's Handbook or Made to Stick. Follow successful copywriters online and analyze their work. Practice writing daily and keep refining your skills. The more you write, the better you'll get. Web development is one of the most valuable tech skills of 2025. Whether you want to create websites or build applications, web development opens up a world of opportunities. Front-end development. This involves building the parts of a website that users interact with directly. Front-end developers use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design and develop beautiful user-friendly websites. Back-end development. Back-end development focuses on the server side of a website. You'll work with databases, server management, and APIs to ensure everything functions properly. Learning languages like PHP, Python, or Node.js is essential for this field. Full-stack development. If you want to be a versatile developer, learning full-stack development is a great option. Full-stack developers can work on both the front-end and back-end, making them highly sought after in the tech industry. How to learn it. There are many online platforms like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Udemy, where you can take both free and paid courses in web development. Start with small projects like creating personal websites or a portfolio to practice your skills. The key is to keep building and learning. Creating video content is one of the most effective ways to build a brand and monetize your expertise. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer tremendous opportunities to grow an audience and generate income. YouTube video creation. If you want to make money on YouTube, you need to create high-quality, engaging videos. It's important to learn how to capture your audience's attention and deliver value in a way that keeps them coming back for more. TikTok and Instagram Reels. These platforms thrive on short, engaging content. Learn how to create fun, engaging videos that grab attention within the first few seconds. Creativity is key on these platforms. Video editing skills. Knowing how to edit your videos professionally is essential to making them stand out. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can take your video editing skills to the next level. How to learn it. To get started with video creation, there are plenty of free tutorials on YouTube to learn editing techniques. You can also take online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Start by making your own videos and experimenting with editing tools. Then refine your skills over time. Learning how to invest wisely is an essential skill for building wealth. Whether you're interested in the stock market, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, mastering investment strategies will help you generate passive income. Stock market basics. Understand the fundamentals of stocks, bonds, and investment strategies. Learn how to pick stocks, analyze market trends, and know when to buy and sell. Real estate investing. Real estate can be a lucrative investment, especially if you're looking for long-term passive income. You don't need a huge starting capital. Small investments in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding can help you get started. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are quickly evolving fields with high income potential. If you learn how to invest in crypto and understand the underlying blockchain technology, you could capitalize on this booming market. How to learn it. To learn about investing, start by reading books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can also sign up for online investment courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Start with paper trading or small investments to gain real-world experience. The secret to getting rich fast. Many people dream of getting rich quickly, but the secret is simple: the right mindset and strategy. The first step is to learn a high-income skill: coding, marketing, investing, or business. These are skills that generate high earnings. The second step is to increase your income. Don't rely on a single paycheck. Create multiple income streams. Invest, start an online business, or sell digital products. The third step is to change your environment. Surround yourself with successful people and learn from their experiences. This will accelerate your progress. Remember, getting rich fast is not luck, it's a strategy. Take action today and transform your future. The secret to making money fast. Everyone wants to make money quickly, but the key is choosing the right path. The first step is to develop strong skills. By learning online, you can quickly become a high-demand specialist with the potential to earn big. The second step is to create an online business. Today, there are plenty of opportunities in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and online courses that can generate income. The third step is investing. You can increase your wealth by investing in assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate. The most important thing is to take action now. Without action, dreams will remain just that, dreams. Don't wait, wealth is waiting for you. Passive Income Ideas 2025 Intro. Want to make money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income is not just a dream, it's a necessity. The world is evolving and new opportunities are emerging every day. If you want financial freedom, you need income streams that work for you, even when you're not working. In this video, I'll share the best passive income ideas for 2025 that can help you build wealth and live life on your terms. First, AI-powered content creation. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. In 2025, you can create and sell AI-generated content like ebooks, blog posts, and even YouTube videos using AI tools. Platforms like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Midjourney can help you automate content creation and generate revenue with minimal effort. Second, automated dropshipping stores. E-commerce is booming, and dropshipping is still one of the best ways to earn passive income. The key in 2025 is automation. Use AI chatbots, automated fulfillment services, and social media ads to run an online store with little daily involvement. Services like Shopify and Zendrop make it easier than ever to start. Third, digital product sales. Selling digital products like online courses, templates, and stock media is a powerful way to generate passive income. The best part? You create it once and sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy allow you to reach global audiences and scale your earnings. Fourth, dividend investing. If you want true passive income, dividend stocks are a solid choice. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola pay investors just for holding their shares. By reinvesting dividends, your income grows exponentially over time. 5. Rental income without owning property. Think real estate is only for the rich? Think again. Platforms like Fundrise and Arrived Homes allow you to invest in real estate with just a few $100s. You earn passive income from rental properties without the hassle of managing tenants. 6. YouTube automation. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't mean you have to be on camera. With faceless YouTube automation, you can outsource script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Once a video is uploaded, it can make money for years through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. 7. Print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand lets you sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory. Websites like Printful and Redbubble take care of printing and shipping, so you just collect the profits. Outro. The best part about passive income, it builds over time. Start with one idea, master it, and reinvest your earnings into other opportunities. In 2025, financial freedom is closer than ever, but only for those who take action. Which of these passive income ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making strategies.
Most people spend their entire lives working hard, yet never achieve true financial freedom. But what if I told you there's a faster way? A proven strategy that the world's richest people use to build wealth at an insane speed. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact steps you need to take to go from struggling to financially free, faster than you ever thought possible. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to start your journey to wealth right now. The first step to getting rich fast is not about money, it's about mindset. Most people are programmed to think small, to play it safe, and to trade time for money. The wealthy? They think big. They understand that money is a tool, not a goal. If you want to get rich, you need to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start seeing money as a way to create more opportunities. Adopt the mindset of a creator, not just a worker. You can't get rich fast by working a 9-to-5 job forever. You need a skill that makes you money without limits. This is called a high-income skill. These are skills that can generate $10,000 or more per month without requiring a college degree. Here are a few examples: sales and closing deals. Learning how to sell is one of the fastest ways to make money. Copywriting and digital marketing. Companies will pay you thousands to write persuasive words. Software development and automation. Coding and AI automation are taking over the world. Investing and trading. Stocks, crypto, and real estate can build wealth exponentially. Find a skill, master it, and leverage it to generate serious cash. On-screen text, master a high-income skill.